by other persons, and it reads as follows. A person, that is section 62, subsection 1, a person shall not, without reasonable cause or lawful excuse, obstruct or hinder, exhort, assault, or threaten a member of staff of the Office of the Auditor General or professional acting under this Act. Then the relevant ones are paragraph B and C. Without justification, fail to provide information required under this Act. C, without justification, fail to provide information within reasonable time that is required under this Act. Then there is the issue of submit false or misleading information and misrepresent to or knowingly mislead a member of staff of the Office of the Auditor General or professional acting under this Act, or interfere with or exert undue influence on any staff of the Office of the Auditor General or on any person authorized by the Auditor General to perform the functions under the Act. And then the fine is under subsection 2, where it reads that a person who contravenes subsection 1 commits an offense and is liable on conviction to a fine not exceeding 5 million shillings or to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years or to both. Thank you, Chair.
That's the law. When you said you concur, this committee sits under Article 125 of the Constitution. It's a high court. So I don't think there's anything the chair can do. You have concurred that you violated those sections and the punishment is there. It's 5 million or 3 years jail term or both. I think if the chair is very lenient, he might give you 5 million. Because I don't think you want to go for 3 years in jail. Or he can actually give you both if he really wants to send a message. It's that simple. The accounting officers are giving governors headache in the county. You've got a section for yourself in the PFM Act. This is not about the executive seat of the governor. It's not in question here. It is directly on you, 149 of the PFM Act. So, Chair, I don't know how today you woke up, whether you took tea, whether you were nice, I don't know. But I think that is the law of what they have concurred about. If you choose, you can punish and then make it known to the country that there are some accounting officers who do not do their job that need that punishment through the executive with the governor.
Just for your information, the two accounting officers, that is Nahashon Ongeri, who was the municipal manager, and George Ongware, who was the municipality accountant. Governor, are they still in employment, these people? Or they left?
Chair, I can confirm that one Nahason Ongeri is on disciplinary.
Is on disciplinary?
Yes. May I ask, where's George Ongware? Okay. He's there. What does he do? He's an accountant there. Ongware is there.
Yeah, this Ongware, he should have been here. This Ongware has an ISPAC number 1893, and according to the status, his membership is active, but he is not in good standing, meaning that his training points are below the required threshold.
I can come with him next time if you require.
Yeah.
Bring.
Yes.
Yes.
So I think what has been said is that ordinarily the law provides, the Public Audit Act, that these people should be punished on this offense. I will ask Senator Onyonka to say something, and then I give my direction on this.
Chair, my point is that actually I'm agreeing with Eddie. That's why I told and mentioned to the OAG that what is the way out of this? What are the recommendations you make? And Chair, you could interface that with your ruling. What are the recommendations you make so that the same thing does not be repeated again? That's for me where I am, because I always keep saying the system is broken. This is, Chair, one way on how the system is deliberately broken to make sure that these things happen. Thank you.
What the Senator is saying in your report, don't leave it vague. you need to be very specific to say such and such officer should be punished under the law, so that people will start taking submission seriously. When you leave it to us, and you are the one who is supposed to actually implement the Public Audit Act. So, auditor, please, Mark, you can come in to support what he's going to say.